Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious veggie burger patty at home. First, gather your fresh vegetables like carrots, peas, and potatoes, along with binding agents such as breadcrumbs or flour. Ensure all ingredients are prepped and ready before you begin mixing. Proper seasoning, including salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, is crucial for a flavorful patty. This initial preparation sets the stage for a fantastic homemade burger. Now let's get to mixing. Once your vegetables are cooked and cooled, mash them well, leaving some texture for a satisfying bite. Add your binding agents, like 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and all your seasonings. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Then, take about 1/3 cup of the mixture for each patty, shaping them into uniform discs, approximately 3.5 inches wide and 1/2 inch thick. With your patties formed, it's time to cook. You have several great options. Pan frying in a little oil over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes per side gives a wonderfully crispy exterior. For a lighter approach, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Grilling also works beautifully, imparting a lovely smoky flavor in about 6 to 8 minutes total. Once your patties are cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble your burger. Serve them on a toasted bun with crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and your favorite cheese. Don't forget a generous dollop of special sauce or a tangy relish to elevate the flavors. These homemade veggie patties are incredibly versatile and pair wonderfully with a side of sweet potato fries or a fresh salad. For more great deals, and to grab some little trees black ice for your car, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your amazing homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.